Are you ready for the biggest AI shocking news of the year? Well, this week, the world's top tech giants, Apple, Google, and Meta, have unleashed breakthroughs that can change how you live, work, and even manage your health. From Apple's smarter than ever automation to Google's Doctor Bot that outperforms real physicians, to Meta's bold move to let AI police your newsfeed rather than regular humans. These are the stories that everyone needs to know about because it's what the tech community is talking about right now. Welcome to Useful AI Hacks. I'm Jason James. And if you want to stay up to date and ahead of the curve on the AI tips and news and real world hacks, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you won't miss an update. We launch every day at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Let's dive into the latest AI news for today. Apple just took the wraps off of its most ambitious AI project yet at WWDC 2025, a completely reimagined Shortcuts app powered by Apple Intelligence that isn't just another update, it's a leap forward in making automation accessible to everyone, not just power users. So what's new? The Shortcuts app can now tap directly into Apple's on-device large language model. That means smarter, more private automations that work even when you're offline. Imagine creating a shortcut that listens to your class lecture, compares it to your notes, and highlights what you missed, all in seconds. Or picture automating your daily workflow across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac with AI handling the details for you. Developers are also getting direct access to Apple's Foundation model, opening the door to a new wave of intelligent new apps. And with this privacy baked in, your data stays on your device whenever possible. This update is already available for testing, with a full rollout coming this fall. Apple's push into AI isn't just about flashy features. It's about making intelligence practical, private, and personal for everyone. Next up, Google's research team has just shattered expectations in healthcare AI. Their latest version of AMIE, AMIE, the Articulate Medical Intelligent Explorer, can now analyze medical images like X-rays, MRIs, and even smartphone photos of rashes. And in recent clinical simulations, AMIE didn't just keep up with the real doctors, it often outperformed them. Here's how it works. AMIE uses Google's Gemini 2.0 Flash model, allowing it to reason about both text and images in a medical conversation. In trials, actors played patients and presented real medical scenarios to both AMIE and human physicians. The results? AMIE delivered more accurate diagnoses, especially when interpreting images, and even scored higher on empathy and trustworthiness in text-based chats. This breakthrough could mean faster, more reliable diagnoses for millions, especially in areas with limited access to specialists. While AMIE is still experimental and not a replacement for your doctor, of course, it's a glimpse into the future of medicine, one where AI could help clinicians catch issues earlier and improve patient care worldwide, eliminating a lot of diseases, I kind of believe. If you're finding these stories eye-opening, don't forget to subscribe to Useful AI Hacks and hit that notification bell. We bring the latest AI breakthroughs, practical tips, and industry deep dives every day at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Join our community and stay informed. And finally, let's talk about Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram. It has announced it's phasing out thousands of human content moderators and shifting to AI-powered moderation across its platforms. This move is designed to boost efficiency and scale, but it's already igniting fierce debates about ethics, transparency, and online safety. Why the controversy? Human moderators have long been the last line of defense against harmful content, misinformation, and abuse. With AI now making those decisions, as opposed to humans looking into the scenarios, critics worry about bias, lack of accountability, and the risk of mistakes that could silence voices or let dangerous content slip through the cracks. Meta says its AI systems are more scalable and can handle the massive volume of content generated daily, much easier than humans. But experts warn that automated moderation still struggles with language nuances, cultural context, and the need for appeals when users feel they have been wronged, which just recently happened to me. If you noticed one of our recent AI hacks videos of me taking these Meta Wayfair sunglasses on a front row POV ride of the Incredicoaster at Disneyland California Adventure. I uploaded the video to YouTube, and while it was processing, it got a copyright strike against it, even though the video was from these Meta Ray-Ban sunglasses and the metadata showed it. Well, I debated it, and it did actually get released. So you can actually check out that video, and I'll put a link to it right here. But, they're not perfect, and, who knows when they're going to get to be a little more perfect, but there's a lot of issues with them currently. So it can be perceived by many to be a bit scary that Meta is switching to only AI moderated systems this early in the game. From Apple's smarter automation to Google's AI doctor to Meta's bold and controversial AI moderation, these stories show how artificial intelligence is reshaping our world in real time. Which breakthrough excites you the most or concerns you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, subscribe to Useful AI Hacks and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss a story. We launch every day at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, letting you know the latest and greatest in the AI industry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow at 11 a.m.